Hello children, welcome to maths class. We are going to start in this video a new topic, that is section formula of chapter 7 coordinate geometry. But I would like to ask all of you, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and also share among your friends. You will be getting every day new videos with new lessons, which will be very helpful. I am preparing these videos keeping your examination in mind. So, learn from this channel and subscribe and share. Let us start. In previous videos we have learnt about the distance formula and how to use that distance formula in finding the distance between the 2 points. Here we go with section formula. Let us see what does it say. It says that there are 2 points, it will have coordinates. Say the first point coordinate x1, y1, second point x2, y2. These are the coordinates. So, a line, give the name also the point A and point B. The line is joining these 2 points. It will have a length, we know. A line is joining the 2 points and a third point is there on the line. Anywhere on the line there is a third point. So, let us mark this point is here, third point P. So, now what the situation comes? A point P, it will have its own coordinate. P divides the line segment joining the 2 points, A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. This is what is happening here. A line, a point P, its coordinates say x y. So, P divides the line segment joining the 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in a ratio. That means, it will be a part AP is to PB, or we can say AP ratio PB. Section means division, that is what we are going to work here. So, the point is dividing this line segment into 2 parts in a certain ratio. So, let us say in the ratio m ratio n. This is nothing, just we give the name. Here I gave the name AP ratio PB, here I gave m ratio n. We can go with the name or we can just generally go with m ratio n. I hope you have understood. So, then if you are asked to find the coordinates of this point which is dividing the line segment in a certain ratio, then the coordinates of midpoint will coordinates of the point will be coordinates of the point P are x equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y will be my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So, these two will give us the coordinate of the midpoint, whatever name we give, P, X, Y or Q, R, S, T, name will be different, but situation will remain this. A line segment, a point dividing a line segment in a certain ratio, the coordinates of the point will be this. Then in the same situation there may be little difference. What difference will be? Let us see. These 2 points AB is joining these 2 points. There will be the third point which divides this line segment joining the 2 points, say P, the same name I am using here, but this P is the midpoint of the line segment, may be equal. Here AP and PB are not equal, maybe into any part, but if we mention that P is the midpoint of the line segment joining the line AB, Then the coordinates of P, what we are calculating by this section formula, in that case what will be, this both part will be equal. So, m ratio n will be 1 ratio 1, each part will be equal. So, coordinate of the point midpoint, x will be equal to x2 plus x1 by 2. Actually this is same only, m ratio n. M and n we are not using here because m is 1, n is also 1, both part are equal, and y will be equal to y2 plus y1 by 2, m plus n, that is 1 plus 1. So, hope you have understood. If P is the midpoint, then coordinate of P will be given by x equal to x2 plus x1 by 2 and y equal to y2 plus y1 by 2. Hope you have understood section formula. See you with the solution of exercise 1.3 in next video.